Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with Me, and I wanted to do a little flip through of this journal. This is the one that we made with you guys mostly, and it is the exposed spine. Really, it's an expandable exposed spine. As you can see, it expands so far. But I wanted to do a flip through of it, and then I'm going to put it up in the store for sale if anyone wants it. So we have some little brads here, and they're just little glued on brads that makes it look like that's what's holding those pieces down. I have a little red doily here with a larger brad in the center, and then a chipboard piece up here just to give this front a little bit of color, since we had Santa on there and he didn't have a lot of color in him. Then here's our little corner tuck pocket and a little booklet, and then a tag that you can journal on. Then we just put one of the little tags that Betty did for our E-Club kit for November. My months. I plan certain things in the month. Like right now we're planning into January, so I get my months mixed up sometimes, just to say. Alright, so there is that. We've got a little pocket here, and I can't remember who. I may have made that. Oh yeah, I made that one. Never mind. Stressed I can't remember who made it. I think I did. Anyway, if I didn't, you guys know who made it. And then there's a little tag. That may have been Katie that made that. Got a little tag behind that. Here we put one of the doilies, and then that poinsettia flower. I thought that was cute. And then there on that side. This side, you've got that, and then some trim down through there. Now this, you could put some little journaling cards on here. You know, you could just cut out some of your journaling cards from your collection and put on here if you wanted to. I gave plenty of places to journal on the back of cards and things, but I just didn't put extra in. But that's something that you could do. This has a tuck spot up here that you could tuck another little card under. Let's see. Let's find a little card here. Like you could tuck something under there. Another little journaling card. Let's see. Yeah. It's just a tuck spot. There, that's a pocket that with a little card in it. And then here you can put another little journaling card. We'll tuck that one in there. There is a journaling card. And then we just decorated this little piece up. Then here we put some lace across here, and then put made a journaling card and put it in there. And it has plenty of room to write on the back. And then this page, some of these pages are just so pretty, I couldn't cover them up. I just couldn't. You may be able to when you get it, but I couldn't do that. Here we use the glycine bag that we got. This is a piece from, I believe this is from ePapery, I think. And then here is a little booklet that you can write in the middle. And then there is a card. That's not really a Christmas postcard, but I thought the brown went well with the brown deer, so I took that in there. Here is one of the cards that we made on Melina's challenge. And then we made a little tag to go in the back. Plenty of journaling space. And then here is a, let's see, someone made this for me. I don't think I made this one. I can't remember. Did I make it? I don't know. And then there is a little card that someone made for me. And I didn't decorate this up, but you'll have a packet of goodies that you can use to decorate if you want to. I didn't really know what I wanted to put on there, so I just didn't do anything. And then there is a little journaling card that tucks behind there. We have some of that same material that's here on that little pull there. Alright, and then here is a bag that Katie stamped for us. This has two pockets, or this has two tags on the inside. and two large tags, so you can do lots of journaling there. And on this side, you have a little side tuck pocket with this is a tag that I made that has a little window, and this was just out of a scrap piece that ephemera come in, and it already had this little hole in there, and I thought, I might cover that and try to decorate it up. So I put one of Katie's flowers in there. There's a doily behind, and then we just covered it and stitched around it. So that goes, that goes back in there. This is a tea bag, and if I'm not mistaken, this also came from Triple V. No, this came from ePaperie, and it has the little charms hanging on there. There's the little charms. That one was stuck, so let me unstick it. There we go. Has two little charms hanging on it, and it's a tea bag, and then they've decorated it up and put a little journaling card on the inside here. There we go. And then we made a pocket out of one of the vintage postcards, and then we put this in there. More journaling space. So you can see there's plenty of journaling space, just not exactly on the pages themselves. This came in a pack from ePaperie, I do believe, as well as this. I think that did too. And then this is just a little journaling card, and I need to cover the back of that. I had forgotten. So let me cover the back of that as soon as I get through with this video. All right, this is a little piece, and I can't remember who sent this to me. I don't remember exactly. I've had it in my stash a little while, I think. But it's a little paper clip, and it just clips on the page, and then I just tuck that tag up there. This side, I can tuck something up under there as well. Let's tuck this under there. That's cute on there. And then here is the envelope, and in here we have a journaling card. And then on this side we have two tags that are tucked in there, and I need to cover the back of those too. And then put a little pocket down here. We have another large tag there, and then I just put that little piece up at the top. And this also clips on. It's just got a little paper clip at the back of it. And then, let's see, let's turn that paper clip around. Okay, that looks better. This is something that Katie made for me. And you take this little candy cane out, and then there's a little, like a little secret journaling space back here. And the little candy cane is what kind of holds that together. I thought that looked real good on that page. And then here is our little scallop page that we did, and we've got a journaling card tucked in there. And then there is the back. So I just need to cover a couple of journaling cards that I have in here. Those two and that one over there. And then this will be ready to go out the door. So I will list this up, and if you're interested, you can go over and check it out. Oh, let me show you this. This also has a little charm hanging on it too. Isn't that cute? This may have come from ePaperie as well. It may have. But I thought that was so cute hanging out there. And it also will like flip over to the front like that. Isn't that cute? But that is the little journal. That is it. So we will get those cards covered, and then we'll put that up probably tomorrow. And then this is the freebie for today that is on the blog. The link will be directly below. These are just some labels for your packages. So I printed mine out on sticky paper, and then I'm just going to cut them out, write names on them, cut them out, and stick them on packages. So I thought you might want this. If you do, that's fine. You can go over and download it. All right, guys, we will talk to you later. Thanks so much for watching, and we will be back with more tutorials. All right, bye-bye.